Hey guys, Honda Civic 2017 non-touring model, getting the halos and demonite treatment. Not gonna bore you with the details, we're just gonna open this straight up. Inside of here we have the DRL component. Just unscrew a couple screws, take off this tiny little clip. Once we have that out, just put this to the side because I'm not gonna touch this. Also, you want to take off your turn signal reflector. Now to get everything else off, there's this bolt on the back. Just unscrew it, pull it out, and here's your projector and your shroud. Now, let's disassemble this. We got the housing, the back piece, the lens, all that stuff. Now we're going to use some Profile Performance Demonize. I'm going to use the brackets. This was like one of my earlier works, but I'm just going to drill a hole through the back plate and create an angle just like this so you can actually sit on the projector lens properly. Now I'm just going to reassemble everything and also create this tiny little notch so I can actually keep the screw going through it perfectly. Once you have everything together, reassemble it and test it out. And check this out. Once you get everything tested out, just put everything back together inside of the housing. Also run your demonite wire through the rubber dust cap on the bottom. This will prevent it from any water coming inside. Now we're going to focus on the front. Everything here is held down by some plastic tabs. Get your soldering iron and heat up all of these places. As you can see, you just got to heat it up and just flick it with like a metal pen or something like that. Then you can take this off. All we're going to need is this component right here. Now, we're going to do my favorite part, which is dechroming. Check out this secret sauce, and bam! Everything underneath is black. So, no painting required, everything just strips off. Just make sure you clean it up. Alright, and here it is, reassemble on the inside. We got the black shroud and the DRL component back on. So this, we're done. But before that, we're going to put some butyl for some extra sealant. Now we get to the fun part, the halos, also by Profile Performance. What we're going to use is some galvanized wire. We're just going to need 3 separate pieces, so drill 3 tiny little holes onto your shroud, and it's going to look something like this, solid and not moving anywhere. Once you get that on, just put it back inside of the lens the same way we took it out. Heat up the plastic tabs. I used a little bit of a zip tie to add more plastic. Hold it down, and then what you want to do is wiggle it to see if this is going to fall off. Then you just want to heat up the butyl around the sealant. Once you get that heated up, you want to put your lens back together. It's also a good practice to test your halos before you finalize everything. Now you can just toss everything in the oven, squeeze them together, put the screws back on, and clean up the lens, and check it out, man. This looks wonderful. This is what the wiring looks like for a job like this. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it looks, but once you have that together, jeez. You could actually separately control the color of the halo and the demonize. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, see you next time, peace!